assistance for air ambulance, assistance to hospitals, assistance to students wanting to appear in examinations has been provided, and facilitation shall continue to be provided. We shall endeavour to move forward on the path of relaxation, facilitation, further and further as we go along. Thank you very much.
Mr. Kansal, when you are talking about Jammu, it means only Jammu city, because the rest of the districts, when you talk about the telecommunication, I don't think so. That's what the reports we have. As mobile phones in other districts aren't working.
Mobile phones are functional in all 10 districts of Jammu.
Sir, you talked in detail about surgeries. Can you have some details about surgeries conducted on bullet or bullet surgeries?
Well, I have information about procedures, deliveries that were conducted as per the information given to us by the hospital authorities.
Sir, I have a question.
One by one, I'll come to you.
In Anjar Saura, I saw your people have put barricades, they have tied up the road, and not allowing those to the area.
You see, a lot of
There's another question related to this. You mentioned that about killing of a shop in Parliament. That linked to opening or not opening of shops in this area, or it is some larger design?
I would like to answer your question on incidents. I got some data because I knew this would be raised. There have been a total of 152 significant incidents in the past, let's say, 3 weeks. Now, 100 of these have been in just 5 thanas. Over 125 of these have been in Srinagar alone, indicating that the rest of the 9 districts have seen hardly, if any, incidents. If you don't allow, you have to let me complete. We saw a progressive increase till the 16th of August, and have seen a progressive decline to the extent that we are seeing not more than 2 to 3 incidents per day. Now, this is in perspective what has been happening so far.
There are a lot of journalists here. Not a single journalist has his phone working. The internet is down. The newspapers don't have the broadband connections. We have been taking up with the authorities concerned that this communication to the journalists should be restored. When is that going to happen?
Sir,
Any word on that?
Okay, yeah, I'll take both these questions
Like
together.
you said, everything is normal as per you.
I gave you facts and figures.
Facts,
You
yeah.
draw your own analysis.
Facts, as per your facts, lot of things are normal. So why are we here? Why is not internet working in our offices? So that's why we are supposed
We have
to
just
come here. We are
five
getting lot
systems
of
here and hundreds of
Why
journalists
can't you
have to
facilitate
from
us
here.
to work in our
Fair
own
enough.
offices?
If you permit me to answer. We did make an attempt to facilitate all of you by opening up this media center, which did not exist before. We did attempt to provide you telephone and internet connectivity, but a lot of you have come and reached out to my director here and to myself about certain difficulties you are facing, particularly with regard to uploading your stories, your photographs, and also telephone. I promise you, I sincerely promise you, I've taken note of that. We'll see what we can do. Okay, one last question. I have given you an opportunity every time. Let me ask him.
How many minors have been detained and how many of them have been transferred to protective custody?
No. You want to answer this? No minus?
Sir, why is the state afraid of communication among its residents?
Sorry?
Why is the state afraid of communication, basic communication among its residents?
Pardon me?
Why is the state afraid of communication among its residents?
On the contrary, we are restoring it as quickly as possible. Okay, thank you very much.
A Kashmiri journalist has been detained yesterday on the Delhi airport. Do you have any information about the reason?
जम्मू कश्मीर के प्रिंसिपल